Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing ways that women are dressing wrong. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Carla, and on this channel I share ideas on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If these kinds of things interest you, then please subscribe down below. Okay guys, so the first thing I've realized that women are forgetting to do is tuck in their shirt. Or if not, they're wearing their shirt tucked in kind of like in a muffin way, which is when it like protrudes out. To help with this problem, I have linked a video right up here that shows ways that you can tuck your shirt in if you're having trouble tucking your shirt in. In most cases, the easiest way to tuck your shirt in is just tucking it in right in the front. Another way that women are dressing wrong is that they're forgetting to accessorize their outfit. You can accessorize your outfit in multiple ways. You can throw on a belt, you can throw on a bracelet, a bangle, a dainty little necklace. Honestly, if you just go out and buy a necklace that you can wear every single day, it will change the look of your outfit. When you don't accessorize at all, your outfit ends up looking empty, as if something is missing from what you have going on. The third way that women are dressing wrong is that they're not switching up your shoes. If you're someone that always wears sneakers, try out some boots or heels, vice versa. If you're someone who always wears boots or heels, try wearing sneakers. Get out of your comfort zone. That's how you start switching up your style and you start trying out different outfits. I find that the hardest thing for people is just to get out of their comfort zone. So I challenge you to get out of your comfort zone and try a different style. Change out those shoes, change out those heels, try something different. The fourth thing that women are forgetting to do is steam or iron their outfits. Honestly, I am starting to see this way more often than I should. I'm not saying that I'm not a culprit, that I have not done this in the past, but I'm definitely working on not doing this because I have honestly seen some amazing outfits just not look as amazing as they should have if the 3 to 4 minutes had just been taken out to steam or iron that outfit. I picked up this steamer from Amazon for less than $20 and I'm so happy I did. It has definitely decreased the amount of time I spend fighting with wrinkles. The fifth and final way that women are dressing wrong is that they're wearing the same handbag. Just like shoes, you want to diversify your handbag collection. Maybe look at getting a large bag, a medium-sized bag, a clutch, or a smaller miniature bag. You want to do this because, to be honest, not one size bag will fit every single outfit that you have. For example, if you're going out and you have a nice, beautiful dress, you're not going to take your big handbag and wear it with that dress. Or if you're someone that just has one small bag, what if you're going out and you need to carry more items? You want to have a larger handbag. The point to this whole thing is just diversifying your collection. Get out of that comfort zone. Invest in yourself. Invest in some pieces. I know some people have some thoughts around buying luxury items. However, if you enjoy them and you want to reward yourself for all the hard work that you put in the sense of buying a handbag, then feel free to do it. If you've seen anyone kind of doing the things that I've mentioned, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you also have some tips or ways that you've noticed that women are dressing wrong, then also let me know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. See you in the next video.